Grounding rod that's least resistant to changing temperatures. Grounding rods and their fittings are used to provide the interface to ground in all soil conditions in order to achieve satisfactory earthing systems in overhead and underground electricity distribution and transmission networks, providing high fault current capacity on low, medium and high voltage substations, towers and power distribution applications. When current seeks and finds its own paths back to its voltage source, usually it will pass through equipment. If the voltage passing to that equipment is higher than its operating threshold, the equipment will fail and an outages of some type will take place. Among the various situations that may occur on your electrical system, the most common are high voltage surges, and damage or loss of one of the service conductors. High voltage surges are often caused by lightning strikes on or near power lines. In addition, voltage spikes can occur when large appliances or heavy machinery at nearby locations are switched on or off. Proper grounding provides stability to the electrical system and reduces the impact of these surges. Should a tree branch fall, or a car hit a pole, the service wire from the utility system may be disrupted. Proper grounding is important to eliminate or minimize the possible damage. With insufficient grounding, varying voltages within the facility may cause damage to motorized appliances due to undervoltage or damage to electronics as a result of overvoltage. The purpose of a grounding rod is to have a designed electrical path to dissipate a static discharge voltage, which can be lightning or other forms of static electricity, to the earth. The electrical earth grounding rod is usually considered at 0 volts. From this point all other voltage measurements can be taken with earth reference to 0 volts. The CHEM rod solves problems found with conventional grounding rods by requiring less real estate and fewer electrodes to meet specified resistance. The CHEM rod uses advanced engineering to achieve a consistent, low-impedance electrical connection with the earth, even in unfavorable and varying ground conditions, such as permafrost. These grounding rods or CHEM rods are efficient in terms that one rod can easily replace 10 conventional rods. They are least resistant to changing temperatures and require very low maintenance along with being economical and reliable. Contact ENLEC expert today. Contact information. Address: 6687 Arapahoe Road, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Phone number: 303-447-2828. Email: info@legglobal.com. Website: www.lightningprotection.com. Social media profiles: twitter.com weblink, linkedin.com weblink, facebook.com weblink.